typical to German wheat beer styles, this is a combination of two compounds that are individually described as spicy and clove-like, as well as the aroma of banana. In German Hefeweizen beer, the intensity of these two compounds will vary from beer to beer produced by different breweries. The combined banana and clove aromas that define Hefeweizen are both fermentation related. The spicy clove aroma is distinct to yeast strains that are phenolic off-flavor producing strains, or what we call POF-positive strains. The banana contributions are from the ester isoamyl acetate, which is also yeast strain related and depends on fermentation conditions. The production of clove aromas requires the selection of a POF-positive yeast strain, and brewing conditions also affect the intensity of production of these phenolic aromas. The presence of malt-based ferulic acid is required, and the selection of grains, as well as the mashing conditions, will dictate how much ferulic acid is present to create these spicy aromatics through yeast activity. The level of banana characteristics is also related to yeast strain, as well as fermentation conditions, such as pitching rate and temperature. Breweries making Hefeweizen and wheat beer styles need to experiment with different strains, grain bills, mashing profiles, and fermentation parameters to find the right balance of these aromas in their beers.